In 2002, he had an international hit with No Letting Go. Let's hear more about Wayne Wonder's international success in this week's Ray Proud Moments feature.
Ray Proud Moments is brought to you by Rain Deview White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit. The global success of Wayne Wonder's 2003 hit single No Letting Go was a major career high point for the singer, who had been singing since the mid-1980s. Known for a string of hit covers in the Caribbean market, Wayne signed with Atlantic Records following the success of No Letting Go. The Portland-bred wonder has not looked back since. Songs like Bounce Along and Hold Me Now have endeared him to an international audience and seen him win several awards over the period. A Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album for the album No Holding Back gave the singer the accolade that he deserved. Singer Wayne Wonder's international success with No Letting Go is indeed a Ray Proud moment. Ray Proud Moments is brought to you by Rain Deview White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit.
We're on Constant Spring Road, guys, and Skinny Fabulous has this week's Caribbean video. Our destination, St. Vincent. The song is titled Up and Up.
See ya, put your hands in the air right now and push them up and up and up, up and up, up and up. When you see we hands gone up and up, up and up, up and up. Everybody, hands gone up and up, up and up, up and up. When you see we hands gone up and up, up and up, up and up. The place go fatten for this. Setting this what all of we know. The place will tear up for this. Setting this what all of we know. I heard you want police. Mash up is what all of we know. Boom, anywhere, any venue, anywhere, all of we go. Boom, hands up like fitness. Show the world, make everybody witness. On the road with a band that big, big. And the girls with stand just gifted. One things, we know what people business. And if I put them out now quick, quick. Round here, we don't support no mischief. Cause it's party time, we can't miss this. Boom, no stress how we say, but we want rum. Up in here, they back we too chill while we calm down. Up in here, we not going to live till it's all done. Up in here, find a gal and jump cause we want one. And we just go up and up and up, up and up, up and up. When you see we...
It's time for the Magnum Top 10 Countdown. Let's see if your favorite song made it on the charts.
And I'm a second wife. I made for run the middle like Declan Rice. Like a spray and ankle, I fling a neck pan ice. Anything I want, me no check pan price.
Hands up the weed, oh yeah. Dog, nothing no day off it go again. Sniff for me a roll bigger than a brown bread. And it bring me to the sky for me see the drone.
Take it to them, take it to them, take it to them. You think I lie? Me no tell you no the place I got turn up back again. Elephant man with the energy again. Dance out again, but them no dance from when. How them
Custom Beamer, custom crown, custom market, custom. Believe me, I've girl where you custom. I'm a thing when that one touchdown.
Oh Lord God, me snapping. 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 Swing to the left and to the right.
Brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. I ramp with me mother food.
I'm a teddy broke shot. Me couldn't left my gun figure foot. Chris full of bees on my jeans up the cut. Chris 34 in my waist.
But I'm bad, stunting. Them gyal say we sweet like pumpkin. True we Kyle them thick like dumpling. Kyle them thick like dumpling. All down.
May I live life only one way, yeah. Also do me all till me turn grey, yeah. None of my dogs nothing hungry, yeah. We no one try if you don't pay us. We no one.
Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Dapper them for know some man a leader. Shatter them ready for press the trigger. Blessing off a flow like a river. Turn them back and we turn them in a bill.
And that's how we close the chapter on this week's episode of Free Days. I'm your host, Chrissy. Daniel Caesar and Coffee takes us out. See you next week.
Love you till we old and then we live and we grow old again.
Sweet melody, wind up your body on me. You're loving, baby girl, you know me. We are top man, we take charge. charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some a gal apart. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take
charge.
Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, Magnum.